Hi everyone, it's Lucy Kim from the Peer Tutoring Club. In today's video, we're going to move on to Unit 2, which is about measurement. In this unit, we're going to learn about definition of speed, conversion of area, conversion of length, unit of measurement, unit converter, errors in measurement, and percentage error. In today's video, we're going to talk about definition of speed, conversion of area, conversion of length, and unit of measurement. First, let's talk about definition of speed. Speed is how fast something is moving. It is measured as distance traveled per unit of time. For example, the speed of these cars is over 150 kilometers per hour. The basic unit of speed in the metric system is meters per second. So these were the definition of speed. Now let's move on to conversion of area. To understand the conversion of area, we need to first look at the conversion of length. Let's firstly look at the conversion of length. So how to convert lengths? To convert lengths from one unit to another, we need to multiply by the correct number. Let's look at the steps. We firstly need to find the correct conversion number and then multiply by that number. Let's look at a detailed example. For example, when we say to convert 3 feet into meters, we can use this method. When we put a 1 meter ruler next to a 1 foot ruler, they look like this. So now we need to look closely and we see that the 1 foot ruler comes to exactly 0.3048 on the meter ruler. So the conversion for feet to meter is 1 feet equals to 0.3048 meters. So to convert feet to meters, we need to multiply by 0.3048. For example, we could put 3 1-foot rulers next to each other like this. Now you can see that 3 feet equals 3 times 0.3048 meters, which is 0.9144 meters. So we can conclude that 3 feet equals 3 times 0.3048 meters, which is 0.9144 meters. Let's look at another example. When we say to convert 5 kilometers into miles, the conversion for kilometers into miles is 1 kilometer is 0.6214 mile to 4 digits of accuracy. So the length conversion is multiplied by 0.6214. So 5 times 0.6214 is 3.107. So 5 kilometer is 3.107 miles to 3 decimal places. Sometimes you can get the conversion the wrong way around, so it is a good idea to think, will my answer be more or less? If you get the wrong answer, try dividing by the conversion number. For example, you want to convert 8 meters into feet. Will the answer be more or less than 8? Feet are smaller than meters, so there should be more feet than meters. The conversion is 1 feet is 0.3048 meters. To the nearest 0.1 feet, try multiplying 8 times 0.3048 meters, which is 2.5 feet. Then in here, we can know that it is smaller. But when we try dividing, we can divide 8 divided by 0.3048 meters, which would be 26.2 feet. And this looks good, so we can know that the answer is 8 meters equals 8 divided by 0.3048 meters, which is 26.2 feet. Now we can understand conversion of area. We feel comfortable converting miles to kilometers, so we're close here. To convert area, we need to simply remember that area is length by width. So we convert once for the length and once again for the width. So we can just do the length conversion twice. For example, when we say to convert 1 square yard into square feet, we know that 3 feet make a yard, so 1 yard equals 3 feet. So the length conversion is to multiply by 3. Thus, the area conversion must be multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3 again. So in results, is 3 times 3, which is 9. So there are 9 square feet in a square yard. Let's look at another example. When we say to convert 30 square feet into square meters, The conversion for feet to meters is 1 feet is 0.3048 meters. So the length conversion is to multiply by 0.3048, and so the area conversion must be multiplied by 0.3048 and multiplied by 0.3048 again. So as the example, when we say to figure out 30 square feet into square meters, then we need to multiply 30 times 0.3048 times 0.3048, which is 2.79. So 30 feet square equals 2.79 meters square. So sometimes you can get the conversion the wrong way around, so it is a good idea to think, will my answer be more or less? If you get the wrong answer, try dividing by the conversion number. For example, when we say to convert 5 square meters into square feet, which is 5 meters square to feet square, will the answer be more or less than 5? Feet are smaller than meters, so there should be more square feet than square meters. The conversion is 1 feet is 0.3048 meters. To the nearest 0.01 feet square, we can try multiplying and dividing. Let's try multiplying. We can multiply 5 times 0.3048 times 0.3048, which needs to be 0.46 feet square. But it is smaller, so now we can try dividing. We can divide 5 divided by 0.3048 divided by 0.3048. So the answer will be 53.82 feet square. And it works. So the answer would be 5 meters square equals 5 divided by 0.3048 divided by 0.3048. So the answer would be 53.82 feet square. Now let's look at the unit of measurement. In measurement, we talk about units. What are they? A unit is any measurement that there is one of. So 1 meter is a unit. And 1 second is also a unit. And 1 meter per second is also a unit because there is one of it. And so on. Without the one, it is also common to drop the one in front and just talk about the type of measurement as a unit. So for example, a commonly used unit of time is the second. We don't say a stopwatch measures 1 second, we say it measures seconds. So unit is a general term that means the type of measurement, and people understand that we mean just one of it. Let's look at another example. We can look through speedometer. What unit does this speedometer measure? It measures kilometers per hour. So 220 means 220 kilometers per hour. Now let's look at abbreviation. We usually write units just using their abbreviations. For example, we say km for kilometer, and also we say m-s for meter per second. And we also say kilogram-m cube for kilometer per cubic meter. Now let's look at the standardized. Units of measurement are standardized, meaning that there is a well-defined standard way to measure one of them. For example, for many years, there was international prototype meter bar to show people exactly what 1 meter was. But that wasn't accurate enough. Now, 1 meter is defined as how far light travels in 1/299,792,458 of a second. Moving forward, let's look at the different systems of measurements. Units can be grouped together to make a system. For example, the meter, kilogram, and second together with a few other units together make up the SI metric system of measurement. For other example, the inch, foot, yard, and mile are the units of length in the US standard system of measurement. Now, let's look at the unit price. Unit price tells us the cost per liter, per kilogram, per pound, or others of what we want to buy. It is a good way of comparing the cost of what we buy. For example, now let's compare two different prices. 2 liters of milk at $3.80 or 1.5 liters of milk at $2.7. In this case, the unit is 1 liter and the unit prices are 3.8 over 2 liters, which is 1.9 per liter for the first case, and 2.7 over 1.5 liters, which is 1.8 per liter for the second price. So the lowest unit price is 1.5 liter at $2.7. So we can compare two different prices. So these were all about measurement in today's video, and next video we're going to talk about unit converter, errors in measurement, percentage error. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!